Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to integrate OnceHub with n8n to automatically send booking details from OnceHub to other tools and applications whenever a meeting is scheduled, helping you streamline workflows, save time, and reduce manual work through automation. So let's jump in. Log into your OneSub account, click the gear icon and select Account Integrations. On the Account Integrations page, go to the Automation section and then select n8n. Now click on Setup on n8n and it will take you to the n8n website. In case if you don't have an account, you can click on Get Started or click on Sign In and it will take you to the n8n dashboard. Here to start the automation, we will need to click on create workflow and select our very first step and look for the OneSub. Here click on OneSub trigger and then hit install node. So it will install a node from n8n community. Okay, and once node is installed, you will see the list of all available triggers. So you can see booking is cancelled, completed, no show, and so on. For this demo, I'll be selecting booking schedule trigger. Now it's a time to set up our credentials. So it's a connection that we are going to make between n8n and our OneSub account. Click setup credentials and we need our API key from our OneSub account. So go back to OneSub, account integrations, API in webhook, and you can click on create API key, give your key a name. I have already generated a API key, so I'll be using that key. Hit save and you will see that connection tested successfully. Now it's a time to test our trigger. To test the trigger, we will need to make a test booking on our booking link. So let me open my booking link. Select date and time, float details, select meeting location and hit schedule. Okay, meeting schedule and now go back to an item and you will see the payload details or the booking information in n8n. It will show that node is executed successfully. Now it's a time to decide where we want to send our data. So to send our data, we will select our app. You can select any app of your choice. For this demo, I'll send my information to a Google Sheet. Select Google Sheet and action will be append row in sheet. I have already made a connection between Google Sheet and n8n. In case if you don't have, you will need to create new credentials. So now select our sheet, sheet name, subdata, and it's a time to map our data. So it's a booking ID, meeting starting time, booking owner's ID, and meeting location and information about attendees. Once mapping is done, we will need to hit execute step and you will see that data is successfully sent to our data table. So close this and to check all the executions, you can click on execution and it will show the information about the data that we sent to our Google Sheet. So let me now open our Google Sheet and see how it is showing up. Okay, there you go. You will see that our data is successfully sent. Once everything looks good, come back to n8n, and it's a time to publish our workflow. And that's it. Our automation is now completed. So once the booking is completed, or you select any other trigger based on that activity, data will be appearing inside our Google Sheet. And that is how you can automate your booking information from one app to other app. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.